In 2024, long bob hairstyles continue to be a popular choice among women, offering a versatile and chic look that suits a variety of hair types and face shapes. This timeless hairstyle has evolved with the trends, incorporating modern twists to keep it fresh and stylish. One of the key features of long bob hairstyles in 2024 is the incorporation of layers and textures, adding depth and dimension to the hair. These layers can be tailored to suit individual preferences, ranging from subtle face-framing layers to more dramatic, choppy layers for a bold statement. Another trend seen in long bob hairstyles for women in 2024 is the emphasis on natural texture and movement. Many women are opting for styles that embrace their natural hair texture, whether it's straight, wavy, or curly, creating effortless yet elegant looks. This trend is all about enhancing the hair's natural beauty and embracing its unique characteristics, resulting in a more relaxed and carefree vibe. In terms of styling, long bob hairstyles in 2024 are all about versatility. Women are experimenting with various styling techniques, from sleek and polished looks achieved with straightening irons to tousled and beachy waves created with curling wands or texturizing products. The versatility of long bob hairstyles allows women to switch up their look effortlessly, whether they're going for a casual daytime look or a glamorous evening style. Overall, long bob hairstyles for women in 2024 offer a perfect balance of sophistication and ease, making them a go-to choice for many. With customizable layers, natural textures, and versatile styling options, this timeless haircut continues to stand the test of time while adapting to current trends, ensuring that women can always find a long bob style that suits their personality and lifestyle.